In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your profile link on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app and then head over to menu. On menu, tap at that gear to go to settings and privacy, and then tap somewhere here to go to Meta Account Center. Here we need to get into profiles, then select your current Facebook profile. Here at this profile I have Facebook and Instagram accounts associated with that profile, and then if we tap at username, it will show me both of my Facebook and Instagram usernames here. That is my Facebook username, that is my Instagram username. Then we need to get into Facebook one, and here we can see this field. We can tap right here, that brings us a keyboard, and that's where we can change our current Facebook username, because basically Facebook profile URL contains of two parts. The first part is facebook.com/ and the second part is our username. That's how we can change Facebook profile link by changing our username here. We can delete current one, then enter new one, hit done, and then hit add this button to apply the changes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.